Hey, my people, how una day? What up? Man, real quick today, I want to just tell una how much it take me to do the plumbing work for this two flat of 3 bedroom each. You know, you if you look on the code, be say the material when be say it do the whole plumbing work from the house straight to the socket way. The piping and all the plumbing material now about 362,000 naira. Now it be the quote when I get, but I end up spending almost close to 400,000 naira for the piping material for the plumbing work. So it was over a little bit over the budget. So I end up spending almost close to 400,000 for just the material, but the workmanship was still the same. I used about 110,000 naira for the workmanship for this plumbing work for these two flat of 3 bedroom apartment each. All right, guys, man. Yeah, man, you can do it. You can do it, man. Now, so you be my people, man. Just keep subscribing, man. I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay? Enjoy the video to the end. Bye for now.
Papa. Papa. Papa.